Hi, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at creating files for CXC Part 3, and we're going to be specifically looking at how to upload samples to the CXC ORS. The first thing we need to do is we need to go into our web browser. When we go into our web browser, we're going to look for the ORS for CXC, so we can type CXC ORS, right? And this will bring us into our login screen. You'll put in all your credentials that you're custom using to sign in to the CXC ORS. Your username, your password, and the period. Remember, the period is June 2020 CSEC. Right? Once that is done, and you sign in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to go to the SBA tab, and you're going to select SBA data capture. Okay, CXC system seems to be having a little problem right now. Let's try this back. Right, so once we got into the SBA data capture, this is the screen that we're going to see. Now, in order for us to upload our samples, we need to go to the Upload tab, which is the top here. Once you click the Upload tab, you will see it will ask you for two things. The center, you select the option of whatever school you belong to, and the subject in which you are going to upload your samples. In this case, I'm going to look at Principles of Accounts today. So when you click on the Principles of Accounts tab, you will see that all the samples are there for that particular subject area. Today I'm going to be loading the samples for one student, right? So in order for you to do that, you're just going to look at the student that you want to upload for. I'm selecting this student here. I put my mouse on this cloud and that's up arrow, and it's going to ask me to click or drag and drop files. I'm going to select my files. So once I go to my area where I stored all my students' files for upload, which is what we would have covered in part 1 and part 2, how to name those files, how to create the cover sheets and so forth. So once we have all of that done, we are ready to upload. So I'm going to select my file. Right? Now you could select one file at a time, you could select more than one file. All you simply have to do is select the first file, hold down the shift key and select the other files that you want. Once you've done that, you select open. You'll see it there, the two files, and once you click upload, right? System takes a little while to respond, but you're supposed to see the two files that you selected uploaded in this area here. If you did not see that and you only saw one, then you click back here again and you upload the missing file. Once those files are uploaded, once those files are successfully uploaded, we can then click send email confirmation. Right? It says here samples have not been added for all groups. Do you still want to receive a confirmation for these samples? You can click yes or confirm, and it says samples successfully submitted and confirmation email sent. Now, in order for you to double check and see if these samples were actually uploaded, you can go to the Reports tab, and when you click on Reports, you're going to click all the necessary credentials, and this time you're going to select under Reports SBA Sample Uploads. Select the subject area. In this case, I was uploading the Principles of Accounts, and I'll go Generate. Here you'll see that the sample was successfully uploaded to the same particular student, right? And that's a way for us to determine how samples, if all the samples that we uploaded were actually successfully uploaded. And that brings us to the end of uploads for CXC. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, and you can leave comments if you like. Thank you.